Hi, it's Tivi Singh, and here I'm going to show you how to assemble a carcass in less than 1 minute without using any tools, thanks to OVVO, which is a multi-award winning connection system. This is an invisible furniture connection system which delivers perfectly aligned joints every single time, making it ideal for woodworking and furniture assembly. The connections are available in range of sizes with permanent and releasable options to match your manufacturing requirements. This innovation is certainly going to excel in various sectors and inevitably in flat pack furniture.